December 10th, 2009. The 59th anniversary of my birth. You have one birthday, all the rest are anniversaries. I said that last year. Last year you saw some tire flipping and sledgehammer beating. This year going to be a little bit easier, going to take it easy. Today I just pump a little iron. So I'm here at beautiful LA Fitness in Castleberry, Florida. Let's go to work. What I'm going to do is some push presses. I'm going to do some barbell rows and dumbbell deadlifts. Now the dumbbell deadlifts are so heavy that I can't hold it. And what I like is these metal grips. They just, if you get a shot of that, ProWristStraps.com. They're free advertising for these people because I like their product. Anyway, this will enable you to hold heavy dumbbells, and I'm only going to use them on the dumbbells. I'm not going to use it on this push press. So, ready to go. All the way down to the dumbbell. The numbers don't lie. 125-pound dumbbell. That's one round. Round two. Round two. Everybody wants that great physique. Nobody want to work out hard. Here we go. Round number three. 25 pounds apiece. A lot of people don't even weigh that much. There's one of those dumbbells weighs. Right here, baby. 125 pounds. I think I'm going to have to ask the management if they can get some heavier dumbbells. It's getting too light now. All right, now we're doing the next thing. All right, gonna do some lunges here. Big old lunges. Everybody wants to have great legs. Ain't nobody want to do them lunges. Everything from the glutes down to the ankles. Heart and lungs. Chinese have a saying that as strong as your heart is, that's how strong your legs are, and vice versa. I think you've seen some strong legs today. All right, all that strength helps, but you got to have skills, son. Show you a little bit of Muay Thai kickboxing.